Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Today we have the Hammond Collection Pachycephalosaurus here. We will compare it to a new one. So this one right here, obviously, been released a few months ago. Has a rubbery tail, nice color. Hopefully one day Mattel will make a bigger version of this, another Hammond, or with a sound version, you know. And we have a young Tyrannosaurus here from Dino Rivals. Here's the DNA scan. So the reason why we chose this too is, you guys know why already, because we have the new epic attack, Jurassic World. So I accidentally cut this earlier. The T-Rex is still sealed. So this Pachycephalosaurus right here has a cool sound. 3 sounds. It says 3 right there. There you go, but the mouth does not move. The tail does not. Oh, it does. The legs move too. There's the for the battery. The arms move. So it has a similar color. There's the epic damage right there. Similar color of the Hammond Collection. It has. Oh, they forgot to color the beak. They didn't color the beak, guys. Same as the claw down there. It is bigger. Very nice. They didn't color the tail as well, compared to the Hammond Collection. Okay, that's super cool. Alright, so even the spikes on the head, they didn't color it compared to this guy. Alright, now let's go to the box. Okay, guys? So this right here is a sticker. They covered the English version. The Japanese covered it. I bought it there. So right here, it's a sticker. You can just pull it out. They stick it right there. You can tell it's sticker. This one as well, but I don't want to damage the box. At the back, it's also Japanese. They covered it. See, covered right there, sticker. This one's sticker as well. Up here. I don't want to damage it. So it's 3 lights. You push the button 3 times. Different kind of sounds. Okay, now we're gonna go to the young T-Rex. Looks like the tail's not connected yet. Okay, let's open him up. Super cool. Oh, wow. Okay, let's grab the tail. Oh, are you serious? Oh, goodness, hang on. Alright, I got it out. Where is it? Okay, here it is. Let's connect it. Oh, wow, just better. There we go. Nice sound. The mouth can be open, I believe. Can it come out? Oh, yeah, it does. So it is bigger than the Dino Rival. Oh wow, it's a really big one. That's where the sound is. Push the button again. It sounds like from Jurassic World, Jurassic Park, The Lost World, the second one back then. It is the young T-Rex. But they made it a little bigger though compared to the Dino Rivals. I don't have the Hammond Collection young T-Rex, but I don't know. Maybe I'll get it one day. Alright, so let's check the DNA scan. There you go. Nice. Did we open up the packy? There it is. It's smaller. Alright, cool. Now, these two are bigger. So these two never... I don't know why they didn't sell it here in the US. It's a Japanese exclusive. Or in Asia, somewhere there. But, yeah, I have to, like, buy it over eBay, send it here, like, ew. So really nice, guys. A nice exclusive one. It's a really rare now, really hard to find. But I got it a good deal, so it's pretty sweet. There you go. Nice. Alright, guys. I really appreciate you guys. If you don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Okay, guys? We'll check you in the next video. We'll see where it goes. Okay. So there you have it for today. Our epic attack. There you go. Our 2 epic attacks are looking good. Alright, guys. Thank you so much. Like I said, let's not forget to click the subscribe button. See you around. Very well.